Hello and welcome to Sam Good Design. Today we show you beautiful backyard design, pond ideas with bridge and fishes. Bon appetit everyone and enjoy watching. Backyard ponds bring a touch of tranquility and beauty to any outdoor space. Whether you have a sprawling garden or a compact patio, a well-designed pond can transform your backyard into a peaceful oasis. In this video, we will explore various backyard pond ideas, from planning and design to maintenance and enhancement. Discover the joys of having a backyard pond, learn about the essential elements for a stunning pond, and gather inspiration for creating your own unique water feature. Whether you are a seasoned pond enthusiast or a beginner looking to embark on this delightful journey, this video will provide valuable insights and guidance for creating the perfect backyard pond. The size of your pond will depend on various factors, such as available space, budget, and personal preference. Consider the dimensions of your yard and the desired features you want to incorporate, such as waterfall or sitting areas. Remember, a larger pond may require more maintenance, so be realistic about the time and effort you're willing to invest. To enhance the natural look of your pond, incorporate rocks and gravel along the edges and bottom. Not only do they provide a more realistic appearance, but they also offer hiding spots for fish and beneficial bacteria. Lighting is another crucial element, as it can illuminate your pond at night, creating a magical ambience and allowing you to enjoy it even after the sun sets. Remember, designing and building a backyard pond is a personal journey, so don't be afraid to let your creativity flow. With careful planning and attention to detail, your backyard pond will become the envy of all your neighbors. So, grab your shovel, unleash your imagination, and dive into the wonderful world of backyard ponds. Consider adding floating plants like water lilies and lotus for a touch of elegance. These beauties not only provide shade and reduce algae growth, but their vibrant flowers can also turn your pond into a stunning focal point. Don't forget about marginals, which are plants that grow along the edges of the pond. They add texture and visual interest, creating a seamless transition between the water and the surrounding landscape. Fish are like the quirky roommates of your pond. They bring life and personality to the party. But before you go fish shopping, you need to consider a few things. First, make sure your pond is large enough to accommodate the fish species you have in mind. Goldfish are a popular and low-maintenance option, while koi fish are known for their vibrant colors and a touch of majestic charm. Thank you for watching, friends and subscribers. You watched the video on the channel Sam Good Design.